Hey, what's up, you guys? RJ here. So, I'm at Queens right now. We're buying and we're getting a new car. We're gonna get deluxes, which is awesome.
And that one.
Yeah, it's got new seats. It looks pretty cool. This is the best car we're getting. And there's the back. Oh, may I have a teddy bear? Daddy, 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 daddy.
Hey, wait, that's so cool. It's in the back.
Yeah, things in the back. So we're gonna say goodbye to this old car, which is not cool at all.
We're gonna leave this car.
I hope you guys enjoyed the Legendary Spyro video because it's almost finished. It's not finished yet. And Christmas Eve. Christmas is tomorrow. Yeah. So I hope you guys have a great holiday and a happy New Year. So that's all I have to say.
Hey, me too. Bye to this little girl.
Yeah. Bye. Ooh, Doritos. Friends, get the Doritos.
Why?
Get it. Go get it.
Now with
Get the Doritos.
no.
Get the Doritos.
No.
Get it. They're hopeless. Alright, you guys. Such a rainy day outside. It's kind of raining a little bit. I can't even tell. Oh, and Tower Kid, that was a great video you made about guess who it is? It's Sub-Zero, duh. Or the easiest thing I can answer. But yeah, so oh, kind of tired. It's 12:09. Man, I can't wait when I get into this new car. It's gonna be great. It's my mom's car. It's her Christmas present. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Alright, this is it for the new video. If you like it, please put a thumbs up on it down below. Please comment, please subscribe, and I will see you guys later. RJ out.